Hello, hello. My name is Elaine Griggs, and this is the second of a 3-video series on binary. So the thrilling topic of binary. But it's an important computer science topic, and it's something that's fun to learn in the summer with your kids. So this can be done with pretty young students. I've done this with as young as kindergarten. They just have to know how to count to 10. And I have the cards I made last video. So if you have not watched the last video, you might want to watch the explanation for making these cards. So on these cards, you see there's 1 dot, 2 dots, 4 dots, 8 dots. And that we are doubling the number of dots on each card. Each card represents a bit. You might have heard the word bit before in regards to computers. And what bit means is binary digit. So it's the B in binary and the IT in digit makes bit mean binary digit. So each of these cards are 1 bit. And they hold 1 bit of information, which is on or off. Now, see how that card just fell off there? That card is off. So this is a great opportunity to count the number of dots that are left. So we have 8 dots here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 dots. Okay? 13 dots are left. So 1, 1, 0, that one's gone. 0, it's off. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 would be the number 13. So we are going to count to 10. How high, all right, before we go on, how high do you think that we can count in 4 bits? If we have all these bits up, we just said that this was 13, so 2 more means 15. Okay, so I guess your kids would need to be able to count to 15. So we can count up to 15 because we have 15 dots showing. We can count up to 15 in 4 bits, with 15 being our decimal representation and on, or 1, 1, 1, 1 being our binary representation. So this lesson comes with 2 slides, and you can see the slides will be attached in the comments of this video. So you can use the slides to check your counting, but you won't need to check your counting, okay? You won't need to check your counting. And I'll ask you the question that will show you that you don't need to check your counting at the end. There's no way to be wrong here. There's no way to be wrong. All right. So let's start to count to 10 because that's what we are doing, counting to 10 in binary. So if this dot card is up, it's 1. If this dot card is down or off, and we're not going to count the dots, we're going to count that as 0. So let's put all our cards at 0. Let's clear our cards out, put them all at 0, and you'll have these cards with your kids, and you're going to start with them all face down with the one with the 1 dot being to the far right, okay? So the 1's place, as usual, is to the far right hand side. So we're going to start off counting to 0. 0 in decimal, in 4-bit binary, will be 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0. So there we go. Let's count to 1. When we count to 1, we want 1 dot showing. Okay? There's also going to be a riddle associated with this video. So in the comments, you will see the riddle. I'll tell it to you now. There are 10 kinds of people. Those that know binary and those that don't. So by the end of this video, you should be able to figure out the meaning of that riddle. Or joke, I suppose. So now we want 2 dots up. We're going to count to 2. We counted to 1. Did I say 1? 1 dot up is off, 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 on, or 0, 0, 0, 1. So there's going to be 4 places that we want numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay? So now we want 2 dots showing to be able to count to 2. So for 2 dots to show, we just have our 2 card up and nothing else. So with our 2 card up, off, off, on, off. So 0, 0, 1, 0. I hope I'm not going backwards, like from right to left, because of the video of this, but this is the right-hand side of the number. And this is the left-hand side of the number over here. I don't know how this will translate to video, but I'm going to go forward, okay? So here we go. So we counted to 2. 0, 0, 1, 0. Let's count to 3, which means we want 3 dots up. So your kids are going to be doing this. And let them turn the cards over and up and just count to 10, okay? And even if they just show you the 3 dots, that's it. Depending on how old the kids are, they might not say 0, 0, 1, 1, okay, when counting to 3. And now we're going to count to 4. So 4, we have a card for 4. So there's 4 dots. So the others are going to be down. The other cards are going to be down. So here's 4 dots. Okay. And I'll have some more resources put up for you for older kids if you want some more resources on binary counting. I mean, you can really go as far with this as you want for older kids. But here we go. We're counting to 4. 0, 1, 0, 0. What do we have to do to get 5? We want that 1 to go back. What do you notice about odd and even numbers? If someone was here flipping this 1 card over, they'd be flipping it down for evens and up for odds, and down for even and up for odds, and down for even and up for odds. So that's one of the patterns that you can notice. And there's so many patterns that your kids might notice. That's the other question we want to ask them. What are the patterns that you notice? And just let them notice. So now we're counting to 5. 0, 1, 0, 1. All right, we're going to go a little fast here. Now we're counting to 6. We're going to have a 4 and a 2 make 6. And we have off, on, off, which is 0, 1, 1, 0. Counting to 7, which is where we started in video 1. We noticed that the 3 cards, 0, 1, 1, 1, add up to 7. Now 8. We have a card that's 8 all by itself. So here's 8 dots up. So here's another one of the questions. Is there another way to have these combination of numbers up? Like, is there another way to make 8 dots? So you can test that out and see what you think. But here's 8. 8, 1, 0, 0, 0. And here's 9. I'm going to turn over that 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. And 10. Up goes the 2 with the 8. Down goes the 1. And you can see if you can count farther. But we have 1, 0, 1, 0. So that's how to count to 10. There'll be a slide on this. And now you can count to 10 in binary. I've said the questions and I'll write them in the comments. So have fun learning binary with your kids. And don't forget it's summer. So take time, no matter how old your kids are or how young, to blow some bubbles. Bye, everyone. Are you seeing those bubbles? Are you seeing our binary cards fall down? Have a great day of learning. Bye-bye.